Buenos dias, Castros. Let's going to correct our work from yesterday. We were looking at division. We were again dividing 4 digits number by 1 digit number. What it was different is that my thousands digit, it was going to be smaller than my divisor. So we learned that what we need to do is just put a 0, time my divisor by 0, and carry this number, if it's smaller, carry it to my next value, which is my hundreds, to make another number. Okay, so let's going to correct them. You have 4 divided by 5. Well, 4 is smaller than 5. I cannot do that. So 0 times 5 is 0. I carry my 4 and I make a 43. 43 times 5, 43 divided by 5. 8 times 5 is 40, 41, 42, 43. And I carry 3. Now I have a 39. 39 divided by 5. My closest one is 7 times 5 is 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And I carry 4. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 879. Let me change the pen because this one is being a little bit difficult to see. And again, I have a number smaller than my divisor, which means that I carry it over and I make it 43. 43 divided by 6, well, I know that 7 times 6 is 42. 43, I carry 1. 19 divided by 6, I know that 3 times 6 is 18. To 19, I carry 1. 12 divided by 6, 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, you should have 732. Let's going to go for the next one. 2 divided by 4, I cannot do that. So 0, and I carry that to here, 27. 6 times 4 is 24. 24, 25, 26, 27. Carry 3. 35 divided by 4. Well, my closer one is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 32, 33, 34, and 35. I carry 3, and now I have a 36. 36 is on my 4 timetable. I get that by timing 9 times 4 is 36. Okay? So you should have 689. Let's going to go for my next one. 3 divided by 5. Well, I cannot do that. So 0, and I carry this 3, and I make a lovely 30, which it is on my 5 timetable. 6 times 5 is 30. 4, I cannot do that, can I? So a 0, and I carry my 4, and I have now a 45, which it is. If I do 9 times 5 is 45, 609. And let's going to go for my next one. 2 divided by 3, I cannot do that. So 0, and I carry that to here. 23 is 23 on my 3 timetable. It's not, is it? Closer one is 7 times 3 is 21. 22, 23, I carry 2 over. 20 on my 3 timetable is not either. So 6 times 3 is 18, 18, 19, 20. So that is 2. 27 on my 3 timetable, yep. 9 times 3 is 27. So your answer should be 769. Have a look at them. And let's going to go to today's lesson. Pause it if you haven't marked them. We haven't seen all these divisions so far. This week we've been finding it easy, haven't we? And then we're saying, why is it easy? Because all of them, they have got no reminders. All of them will have exactly. So they will have in some reminders that we will carry into my next value, but once that I end up with my ones, it will be a whole answer. It will not be with any reminders at all. Okay? So let's going to see what will happen when we have some reminders. So let's going to start today's lesson. And let's see what is going to happen if I have 4,567 divided by 3. Again, division, I start with my highest value, which is my 1,000. 4 divided by 3, yep, I can do it. 1 times 3 is 3 to 4, I carry 1. 15 divided by 3, yep. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I have 7. And I know that 7 is not on my 3 timetable because I go from 3, 6 to 9. So from 6 I go to 9. So what is going to happen? I choose my 2 because I need to get the one that is before my dividend. So it's 6, not 9. 2 times 3, 6 to 9, 1. So I have 1,522, remainder 1. Can you see it there? Okay, let's going to do another one. Let me show you another one. This time I'm going to have 3 and I'm going to divide 5,179. Let's see what happens here, because at the minute I can see that 9, that it is on my 3 timetable, not like 7. Let's see why this one will have a reminder. What do you think? Will it have? It will. Let's see why. So I have 5 divided by 3, which I need to just choose 1. 1 times 3 is 3, 4, 5, I carry 2. 21 divided by 3, yeah, 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Now I have 7 divided by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2, 7, 1. Aha. 19 is 19 on my 3 timetable. No, because I jump from 18 to 21. How do I get an 18? 6 times 3 is 18. To 19, 1. So my answer is 1,726, reminder 1. It's not that tricky, is it? So it's the same, but instead of having your reminders there, you will have it at the end. Let's go to do 2 together, shall we? And let's see how we're feeling about it. Okay, get your pencils ready. And let's going to try these ones together. Can you please do? We are going to divide 6,457 by 4. And the next one that we are going to try to do together is 6,359 divided by 5. Let's going to do it, and let's see if you want to challenge yourself and you want to pause it and do it by yourself, fair enough. If you want to do it with me, don't you worry, because this is the time to do it together. We will have now 2 more to do it on your own, okay? So I start with my 1,006 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 4 is 4, to 6, 5, and 6, 2. Now I got a 24. I know that 24 is on my 6 timetable, and it is when I times 4 times 6 is 24. Now I've got a 5. Well, 1 times 4 is 4, to 5, 5. 1. And 17. Is 17 on my 4 timetable? No, I jump from 16 to 20, so it's not. So I'm going to choose 4. 4 times 4 is 16, to 17. I got a reminder, I got 1, so I have 1,614, remainder 1. Okay? It's going to go for my next one. 6 divided by 5. 1 times 5 is 5, to 6, 1. 13 divided by 5. 2 times 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13. And I carry 3. 35 is on my 5 timetable and I get it by timing 5 times. Absolutely right, 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Now I have a 9 and I know that 9 is not going to be on my timetable, on my 5 timetable. My closer one is 5 because it jumps from 5 to 10. So 1 times 5 is 5 to 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. Remainder 4. So your answer is 1,271. And then you do an R for a remainder of 4. Okay? Right. Are you ready if I write 2 for you to do it? Let's going to have a go at it. Let's see. Can you do for me on your own 7,868 divided by 6? And can you do 5,587 divided by 3? Okay, pause it now and then play it again once that you are ready to correct it. Right, let's going to do our work. Let's going to see what is the answers and if you have done it right. So 7 is not on my 6 timetable, so 1 times 6 is 6, the 7 is 1. 18 divided by 6, I do get 18 if I times 3 times 6. 18. 6 on my 6 timetable, absolutely. 1 times 6 is 6. And 8, no. 6, 12. So I need to choose 6 by doing 1 times 6 is 6, 7 and 8. So I have 1,311, remainder 2. Okay, and let's go to do the next one. 5 divided by 3. Yes, I can do 1 times 3, 4, 5, 2. 25 on my 3 timetable is not, but I know how to get 24. 3 times 8 is 24, 2, 25, 1. 18. 18 divided by 3. Yeah, 6 times 3 is 18. And I got 7. 7 divided by 3, well, there's not a 7 on my 3 timetable. 3, 6, 9. So it jumps from 6 to 9, so I need to choose 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6, 7, 1. So my answer is 1,862, remainder of 1. Okay? Quite simple, and more because you can see that my thousands are always bigger than my divisor, so you are not going to need to just put a 0 and then carry it to the next value. So the only problem today, and then the only new thing, it is the remainders, but they are pretty easy, aren't they? Right, have a go at your work and then we correct it tomorrow. Adios!